Hello.
Hi, welcome.
Your shop looks amazing today.
Thank you. Fresh fruits just arrived.
Everything looks so fresh.
Yes, we got new stock this morning.
Good to know. Do you have watermelons?
Yes, right over here.
Wow, these look beautiful.
They are very juicy this season.
How much is one?
$4 each.
That's a good price. Are they sweet?
Very sweet.
Perfect. Can I pick one?
Of course, choose any.
This one feels heavy.
Heavy ones are usually the juiciest.
Can you cut a small piece?
Sure, I'll show you a sample.
Thank you.
Look at this, red and fresh.
Wow, perfect color. Smells nice too.
Yes, very fresh.
I'll take this one.
Great choice.
Please keep it aside. Do you have smaller watermelons?
Yes, here are some small ones.
How much are these?
$3 each.
Okay, I'll take one small too.
Noted.
Can I eat it today?
Yes, it's ripe now.
Great. Thank you. Do you have apples?
Yes, many varieties.
Show me the best red apples.
These are fresh and crunchy.
How much per kilo?
$3.50.
Per kilo. Sounds good. I'll take a kilo.
Perfect.
And the green ones?
They're right here.
How much for green apples?
$5 per kilo.
Why are they expensive?
They're imported.
Ah, okay. I'll take half kilo.
Noted?
Are they crunchy?
Yes, very crisp.
Good. Do you have bananas?
Yes, fresh ones just arrived.
How much for 6?
$1.20.
That's cheap. Are they soft?
Medium soft, perfect to eat today.
Great. Pack 6 for me, please.
Sure.
Are these local bananas?
Yes, from nearby farms.
Nice. I like local ones.
Most people do.
I'll eat these soon.
Perfect.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you have grapes today?
Yes, green and black grapes.
Which one is sweeter?
Black grapes are sweeter.
How much per kilo?
$4.50.
Let me try half a kilo.
Sure.
They look clean.
We wash all grapes before displaying.
That's good. Are they seedless?
Yes, completely seedless.
Perfect. I'll take half a kilo of black grapes.
Okay.
Can I mix with green grapes?
Sure, half and half.
Yes, please.
Done.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you have oranges?
Yes, very fresh ones.
Price per kilo?
$2.80 per kilo.
Are they sweet?
Mostly sweet, slightly sour.
That's fine. I'll take 1 kilo.
Great.
Can I smell one?
Sure.
Wow, smells fresh. I'll take 2 kilos then.
Noted.
Do you have pineapple?
Yes, right here.
How much is one?
$3 each.
Is it ripe?
Yes, fully ripe.
Smells good. I'll take one.
Okay.
Can you cut it for me later?
Yes, we can cut it at home.
Perfect. Any mangoes today?
Yes, seasonal ones.
How much per kilo?
$6 per kilo.
Looks expensive.
But very sweet and juicy.
Let me smell one. Wow, sweet aroma. I'll take half a kilo.
Great choice.
Are they soft now?
Medium soft, ready to eat.
Perfect. Do you have berries?
Yes, strawberries and blueberries.
Price for strawberries?
$3 per box.
And blueberries?
$4 per box.
Which is fresher today?
Strawberries.
I'll take 1 box.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
All right, let's go to the counter for billing.
Sure.
You bought watermelon, apples, bananas, grapes, oranges, pineapple, mangoes, and berries.
Yes, that's everything.
Let me total it. Your total is $32.30.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
Do you have a carry bag?
Yes, here is a strong reusable bag.
Great, thank you.
Your fruits are packed safely.
Perfect.
Anything else you need today?
Nope, that's all.
All right, thanks for shopping.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Bye. Come again.